Hi everyone, I'm going to share with you today how to find and interact in a Google Plus community. Let's review the learning targets of this video. First, I can find the Google Plus community for this professional development session. Second, I can identify different ways to interact in this community. You may pause and review any portion of this video at any time. To begin, you should open up a new Google Chrome browser, or if it's already open, go ahead and open a new tab. What you'll see, hopefully, is your name with a little plus next to it. If you're not already logged into your Google Apps account, go ahead and do so at this time. Since I'm already logged in, I'm going to go ahead and click my name. This will lead me to what's called Google Plus. All of us have a Google Plus account, and anyone that we are friends with or that we follow in Google Plus will be able to see different updates that they have here. But today's focus is going to be Google Plus communities, so I'm going to show you how to find that. Over here in the top left side, you'll see the home button. All I'm doing is hovering over top of it, I'm not clicking. And then you'll see about midway down the list here, we have communities. Go ahead and click Communities. What you'll see once you're in here are any communities that you're a part of, or maybe some suggestions or discovering communities. I'm already a part of a couple, but what you're going to go ahead and do is find this community. So where it says search for communities, I'd like you to type in this title that you see here. So you'll type in differentiation and academic conversations, HMS. You'll hit enter and you should find our community right here. You can go ahead and click into it. It may ask you to become a member. Honestly, I'm not sure what'll pop up since I already am a member. In the top left now, you should see that you're in our community, Differentiation and Academic Conversations, HMS. What I'm going to show you are the different types of updates that can be made within this community and some different ways to interact in it. So up top here, you'll see it says Share What's New. This is where you'll be able to add different type of content into our stream in this community. So it kind of looks like social media, whether you have used Google Plus before or maybe use Facebook. These do look similar, and our students will probably be pretty familiar with this format. So different ways that you can share things. You can just share text. So if you have a sentence or question you'd like to post, you can share photos. So perhaps you're working on a science lab that day and you're going around snapping photos. You can share that with your class later on. Maybe you find a link to a website that you want to share with your students, something that had to do with, I don't know, a history lesson you learned in class that day. Another thing you can do is share a video like the one I'm making right now. If you want to create an event, so whether this is a CLT meeting you want to share or just notifying your students that Pi Day is coming up, you can share that this way. And the last thing you can share is a poll. So if you want to take a survey of your students on what their favorite group station was that day, you can go ahead and take a poll that way. So this is just how you share content. Now you'll see down here that there are some posts that are already down here. This one is actually a link. So I was able to post some text up here, and then right here you can actually click this. It will lead you to another website. So after you click through here, you'll see it leads you to this lovely article. So I would recommend reading through it. Maybe you want to click one of these other links. And once you have something to say about the article, you can add a comment below here. Here is my comment. When I'm ready, I can click Post Comment. Another thing you can do, if someone shared something that you like on Facebook, it normally says like, but for Google Plus, we do this +1 button. And as more and more people like it, it may say +2, +3, +4, and so on. So those are just the main ways I recommend interacting on here, but I think it should be fun. Go ahead and explore the different things in this community, and hopefully you'll be able to create your own.